Hey, I'm Doodle Dog, and this is my drawing show where we draw cool stuff together. On today's episode, we're going to draw a simple flower. So, grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle! Okay, let's start by drawing a circle in the middle of the page right about here, like this. Not too big. We want to save room for the petals. Alright, that looks good. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Let's draw one of the petals now. We're going to draw up like this and around and connect it back to the circle. And then where I stopped on that one, we're going to draw another one. Up like this and back around. And we're going to keep going all the way around the circle, starting right where we ended, up, back around, and connect it to the circle. We should have 3 petals now. And let's start where we ended and draw another bottom petal here, back around, and connect it to the circle. That looks great. Okay, let's keep going. Here, another petal, and loop it around. Take your time, there's no rush. It's starting to look like a flower now. Okay, the last petal here, we're just going to connect the 2 petals. Here, starting here, and up and around, and then connect it back down. Now let's draw some little lines inside the petals coming off the head shape. Here, here. They're always in the middle of the petals, coming off the circle. Like that. And then one over here. And one here. Okay, let's give this flower some personality and give it a little face. I'm going to draw an eye starting right about here, a little circle, and then another eye over on this side, another circle. And then a little circle inside that circle, and then same on this side. Let's color it in black. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. There's no rush. Let's draw a little smile right in between the eyes, like that. Okay, now to draw the stem of the flower. Down like this, it's a slight, kind of a straight line with a little curve to it. Down straight, and then we curve it out like that. And we give a bottom to it like this. And now back up and connect it to the petal. All the way up. There you go. That looks great. Now let's draw a leaf on this side. A curving line to a point, and we stop. And then back to where we started and another curved line. Up like this. And we connect it at the end. And let's draw a little inside line here to make it look like a leaf. And another little one here. Okay, let's do a leaf on the other side. Starting a little lower on the stem, we're going to draw a curved line out and then stop. And then at the end of that curved line, we're going to bring it back to the stem. From that point, down, up, under, and then connect. And let's draw the inside leaf lines here. Just like this, like the other side. Perfect. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm gonna make mine purple, but you can make your flower any color you want. Maybe I'll make the face yellow. The stem and the leaves green. Don't forget to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.